Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super fun and textured stitch, the popcorn stitch. If you love adding dimension to your crochet projects, this stitch is a must-learn. Grab your yarn and hook, and let's get started. Let's begin. Yarn over your hook and insert it into the stitch your pattern indicated. Make 5 full double crochets, all in that same stitch. Now drop your working loop from the hook. I like to leave it a little long, so I don't lose it. Go back to the first double crochet you made and insert your hook into it. Now pick up the loop you dropped earlier and tighten it on the hook. Pull that loop through the top of the first double crochet you made. This pulls all the stitches together to make the popcorn. Notice the bump and how it resembles a piece of popcorn. I like to chain one to lock the stitch. Let's skip one stitch and make another popcorn in the next stitch. Make 5 double crochets in that stitch. Drop your loop and insert your hook in the first of the 5 double crochets you made. Pick the loop back up and draw it through the double crochet. Chain one to secure. Continue practicing on your own. If this video brought you value or you would like to see more, tap that like button and subscribe for more creative content. I share tutorials for both left-handed and right-handed makers, so there's something here for everyone. Thanks for watching.